I learned the plumbing trade when I was 16, but I had a little trouble working for other people because I always wanted to find a better way. Sometimes the people I worked for, they didn't care for those ideas. So I started my own plumbing business when I was 21 years old. My wife was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis, and she was having trouble walking. So I put some sketches together and fortunately found an engineer to help me put this device together. A lot of it was luck and timing. Bad luck that Murray got multiple sclerosis. Good luck that what came from that, we both kept a positive attitude and it worked. And that's why we called it Amigo then, because it was such a friend.
A lot of people don't get the value of seeing what their product creates, what it does for people, and how we change their lives. The gratitude of customers really gives us a tremendous sense of purpose in what we do.
I love our business. I love what we're doing. I love our people. We've been very fortunate to find the right people at the right time and put them in the right seat of the bus.
All of our associates here are part of our family. It's the Amigo family. And I think anything we've achieved has been a result of all of our team effort and our teamwork. And I'm really proud of that. This truly is like a child of his creation, his growth, his development. He's put all his energy into it. And I think all of us admire that he has never lost sight of why he created Amigo, what it does for people, and all of us love to be on that journey with him.
Now, today, building a business where we have great people working together. I love coming in on Monday mornings.
If you love what you do and you believe in what you do and you see a future for your creation, you must persevere.
What you feel in your heart, what you feel in your mind, and what you feel strong about, stay with it. Be persistent. Don't give up. And I think of Winston Churchill. Never give up. Never, never, never give up.